Pyramids are famous because of the ancient Egyptian pyramids. There are many mysteries surrounding these giant structures. Much literature maintained that their buildings were either inspired by God or by aliens. Among these ancient Egyptian pyramids, the Great Pyramid is the most well-known. It was built by King Khufu. The whole structure took more than 20 years to build. A pyramid is a solid figure in which the base is a polygon and the other faces are triangles, which meet at a point called vertex. We often encounter different kinds of pyramids in our lives. Do you know how to calculate their volumes? Pyramids are called by the names of their bases. Click on each of them to see. Here are a cuboid and a square pyramid. They have the same base and height. Let's compare their volumes. We need to pour colored water from 3 full pyramids to fill up the cuboid. This shows that the volume of the cuboid is 3 times the volume of the pyramid, having the same base and height. In general, it can be shown that the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a prism having the same base and height. Since the volume of a prism is equal to base area times height, the volume of a pyramid can be deduced as follows. There must be something really cool in each of these parcels. They each have a special lock. Each lock can only be opened by finding its volume. Which parcel shall I open first? If you help me to open it, I'll show you what's inside. A triangular pyramid XYZW is cut from the corner of a cube of side 12 centimeters. Given that W, Y, and Z are the midpoints of edges AX, XE, and XC respectively, what is the volume of the pyramid? Suppose that the area of triangle WYZ is 31 square centimeters. What is the surface area of the pyramid? The base of a regular pyramid is a square of side 8 centimeters. If the slant height is 10 centimeters, what is the surface area of the pyramid? There are many instances where cones feature in our daily lives. A cone is a pyramid with circular base. It is also called circular cone, as its base is a circle. Let's compare the volume of a cone with the volume of a cylinder having the same height and base. We can see that the volume of a cone is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder having the same height and base. Hence, we have this formula. Here is a cone with base radius r and slant height L. When we slice it open along the slant height, we will get a sector. The arc of the sector is equivalent to the base circumference of the cone. Do you know its length? The curved surface of the cone is actually the sector. Can you find its area? A party hat is in the shape of a cone, with slant height of 20 centimeters and base radius 8 centimeters. What is the amount of paper used for making it? Michael loves to eat the biscuit on ice cream cones. There are 3 ice cream stalls at the mall. They all sell cones of different sizes. Michael wants to patronize the stall that gives the biggest piece of the biscuit. Can you help him out? Position your cursor at each ice cream cone to see its dimension. Then click on the stall which gives the biggest piece of the biscuit. A sphere is a round ball, like a basketball, a globe, and the earth that we live on. It is a solid figure where all points on its surface are the same distance from its center. You can try to derive a formula for finding the volume of a sphere by yourself. Buy a spherical watermelon and place it in a cylindrical bucket having the same diameter as the watermelon and the height equal to the diameter. Fill the bucket with water and then remove the watermelon from the bucket. You can see that the water takes up 1/3 of the bucket. Thus, the volume of the sphere is 2/3 the volume of the cylinder, having the same diameter as the sphere and the height equal to the diameter. If the radius of the sphere is r, the volume of the cylinder will be 2 pi r cubed. And the volume of the sphere will be 4/3 pi r cubed. This diagram shows a cylinder of base radius r and height 2r. Can you find its curved surface area? Archimedes, a Greek mathematician, found out that the surface area of a sphere is the same as the curved surface area of a cylinder having the same diameter as the sphere and the height equal to the diameter. The River Mall food court is to be rebuilt with modern architectural designs. The glass lift, shaped like a spherical bubble, is among the unique features considered. What is the surface area of the glass lift? How much air will the lift contain? Solve the jigsaw puzzle by answering the questions given.